Mom, breakfast smells so good.
Thank you, sweetie. Jason, this is my favorite dress.
It looks wonderful on you. Always. This cartoon is really funny.
Dad, you watch too much TV.
Jason, please watch the kitchen.
Don't worry, I will. Oh!
No!
Jason! Oh!
What happened?
I'm so sorry. I burned your dress, but that wasn't my intention. Trust me.
This was my favorite dress. What did you do to it? You don't feel me, so I'm leaving.
Please don't do this. Forgive me. The children will be worried without you, and so will I.
I want to be alone for a few days, so don't bother me too much.
Dad, is Mom leaving us? Mom, please stay.
I need some time.
When will you be back?
Soon, I promise.
The house feels empty.
I miss your mom.
Mom must be very sad.
Yes, I made a big mistake.
Dad, let's play together.
Okay, that will make us happy.
Yay, we are happy! Truck. Look, Dad, I made a tall tower.
That's amazing. I feel very tired.
You can rest, Dad. We will play quietly. You sleep now. Let's not wake Dad.
Yes, he looks tired.
I'm so hungry, my tummy hurts. Me too. When is dinner? I can't wait. I'm very hungry. Let's wake Dad. Dad, wake up, please. We are hungry.
Okay, let's cook something. Eli, look! I see a chicken here.
But it's frozen.
Yes, we need to wait. It's very hard and cold.
Maybe we should wait.
Yes, we will wait. Fire will melt the ice.
Be careful, Dad. Be careful, Dad. Dad, I smell something bad.
What is that smell?
It is very strong.
Oh no, the chicken is burned.
Now what will we eat?
Do not worry, we will find something. Don't worry, I will order pizza.
Yay!
Hello, I would like to order pizza. A large pepperoni pizza, please. Thank you.
I'm so hungry. The pizza will come soon.
Here is your pizza. Thank you.
This pizza is delicious.
I feel better now. The house is very messy.
Mom always cleans it.
Let's clean together. Did you see the children? We cleaned our house.
Of course, Dad. We all did it together.
Now that's all done, let's rest. Because you guys have to go to school in the morning.
Are you sleepy? I miss my mom so much.
I also miss my mom a lot.
Oh, Megan, we are so worried without you. Please come back home. My children, breakfast is about to be ready. After this, we go to school.
We won't go to school, Dad. We miss Mom very much, Dad.
Oh, my children, I miss your mother too. I'm sure she'll come back soon. Come on, kids, your bus has arrived.
Vanessa, why are you guys sad?
Our mother is angry with us.
It's okay, I am here.
I don't understand anything. What should I get for the children? My children, how was your day today?
Dad, that's too bad.
Megan, forgive me. Come back home. We are all very worried.
I miss my children a lot. But you are a carefree person.
Your complaint is valid. I admit I am wrong. But what is the fault of the children?
It's not the kids' fault. But you burned my favorite dress.
Megan, I apologized for this. Please come back home. The children are missing you so much.
I need some time.
Hello. Hello.
Dad, will Mom never come back?
No, my son, she will be back soon. My children, finish breakfast. Then we'll go for a walk.
Dad, where are we going? Are we going to Mom's? Dad, we don't have anywhere else to go. We have to go to Mom's.
My children, we are going to a place where you will feel better. Look at this, my children. How beautiful the view is, and how refreshing it is. My children, don't you think all this is good?
No, Dad, nothing feels good without Mom.
Don't worry. Your mother loves you very much. She will definitely come to you.
Dad, can't we go to Mom's?
No, my daughter. She will come herself. Trust me.
Dad, we closed the door, right? Then why is it open?
Oh, of course. I remember we locked the door. But how did it open?
Have thieves broken into our house? I'm very scared.
Good evening, my dear children. How are you?
Mom, is that you? Mom is back!
Thank you for coming back. We were very worried.
Sorry, I was angry. So I walked away from you guys. I am sorry.
Mom, will you ever leave us again?
No, my child, never.
My children, are you happy now? Your mother is back.
Yes, we are very happy.